That's what we should be doing through any market, is what you first need to know. What is it that you want? Because you see, my goals and my strategies, your goals and your strategies, Alex and Dave's goals and Dave's strategies, we're all going to have different strategies, different goals, different things that we need to get to, that we want to accomplish, different ways. Maybe that 7,500, you look at that and you say, that's a joke, man. I can't live on that. I can't even make my car payments with that, right? But that's what I needed, right? And people need to focus exactly on what it is that they want. And regardless of what's happening in the market, that's none of my business, is usually the way I say. Here's my goals. Here's my buying criteria. This is what I buy in. This is the box. And let the world know this is your buy-in, and let the world know this is what you're looking for. And all of a sudden, you'll be surprised. You start letting people know this is what you're looking for. Is you're activating your RAS, your reticular activating system, right, in your brain, that thing that starts to show up and shows you opportunities when you start